Welcome back to my YouTube channel Dslr. I have a video today. I have a video today. I have a video today. I have a snakecube. Snakecube spoon. Spoon. Video. That's rewind it. That's video. Like it, maximum share, subscribe subscribe. Video. Friends, first step is to 7 pieces. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 7th piece is this. This okay. The Nila ngote kodakka. The ingane oru shape kitti. Kaanichera. Nila ende opposite side like. Adayathu ningade opposite side like madakki kodukka. Ende opposite side ningade side ilanu. Onde ingote kodukka. Idu nammal cheyendathu vecha da onnu mugalilekku kodukka. Da mugalilekku kodukka. Okay. 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we will do okay. This is 1, 2, 3. This joined. The joined eye. What I come on a kit, Gana kitting in a Dakuma joined eye. The gender chale. The E pacha, sorry, E nila. What I call it. Okay. The one would have chit, what I call it. Okay, friends. In the last step, the opposite side like a madakit, what on the madakuk. Spoon ready, friends. Video like maximum share, subscribe subscribe. Spoon spoon. Bye bye.